Whoa, what's happening, my people? This your boy Moso with Moso's Autos. Today I come to you, got a quick little exchange. I'm gonna change out the cabin air filter on my 2011 Acura TL 3.7. So simple, quick, easy. It's the filter I got from Walmart. CV 10134. As you can see, 2011 TL. It's quick, man. That's the filter there. Come from Walmart. First thing you're gonna do, open this glove box up. This little tray right up. I know this is a 2011, so it may be the same installation as the 2009 to 2014. I'm not sure, but I know this is a 2011. This tray right here, it slides right out. It's like a little table, whatever it is. In a glove box, set that to the side. And it's two, push that, two clips. Let's see how we could do this. Let's see how we could do this. That ain't gonna work. Let's see, my people. Got a clip right up. And there's a clip over here. Grab both of those. Grab both of those. Just slide right out. Let's see what this thing look like. Whew. Boy, that thing filthy. Let's compare. Had the phone upside down. Let's compare from the old one. It's the new one right up. Golly, look at the difference, man. Whew. Boy, look at the difference. So like I said, simple. Push that up, take that out. Trash that, that's trash, man. You got the hours right there letting you know that goes down. So boom, slide that in up. Just push that tray back in there. It's gonna snap in. Look, snap right in. Just goes back in there. Just slide right in here. Just slide right back in. Boom. Quick.